Okay, so in the relay, since this is a family game, we only have 4 teams on the relay games or parlor games, okay? I will announce team 1. I want you to bear in mind which team are you, okay? So you will not ask again. So at least you know your own team. Yanis and the rest, parents are playing, okay. Let me read team 1. Kayla, Nia, Jasmine, Mommy Grace, Kenzo, Bella, Kyle, Zane, Lexi, Fritz, Jacob, Mommy Angel, and Abby. Okay? Let me repeat team 1. Kayla, Nina, Jasmine, Mommy Grace, Kenzo, Bella, Kyle, Zane, Lexi, Fritz, Jacob, Mommy Angel, and Abby. Team 1. Alright? Now, team 1, look here. Okay, team 2. Team 2, let me read team 2. Echo, Mommy B, Mommy Gwen, happy birthday. Okay, Echo, Mommy B, Gwen, Rhea, Timothy, Catherine, Sophie, Arab, Angela, Mami Jack, Bella, Daddy Ian, Mommy Riza. Okay? Team 2, here. Team 2, Team 2. I will repeat Team 2. Echo, Mommy B, Gwen, Rhea, Timothy, Catherine, Sophie, Arab, Angela, Mommy Jack, Bella, Daddy Ian, and Mommy Riza. Okay? So that's Team 2. Team 3, Arnold, Sandrine, Mommy Ellie, or Daddy Tristan, Katniss, Moen, Layan, Mihir, Yanis, Kyrie, Lorraine, Iko, Mami May. I will repeat. Team 3 here. Team 3, I will repeat Team 3. Arnold, Sandrine, Mami Ellie, Katniss, Moen, Layan, Mihir, Yanis, Kyrie, Lorraine, Iko, and Mami May. Team 3. Alright? Team 3. Team 4, Isa, Max, Rix, Zaidi, Sarah, Sam, or Sarah, Gia, Shamela, Sarah, Kay, Clark, and Dylan. So you remember your team? Okay. Guys, that will be your team for the team relay. Please stand by after the championship. We will start on the final games. We will be having... Okay, team 1 to team 4, please listen. We're gonna be doing four team relays. 4 team relays. Okay? 4 team relays that the ambassador will be doing some examples. So they will be doing once and then we will proceed the game. Okay? So now in this team relay, like for example team 1, you will be choosing 10 only, 10 participants within the group. Not everyone will participate, okay? So it depends on the game. So in this game, in game 1, you may choose 10 participants. In game 2, which is another team relay, you will choose another 8 within your team. And in game 3, you will choose 6 participants, but you need 2 assists. Okay? 6 participants will do the relay, but there will be 2 assists at the end. Okay? Each of the teams has 13 members. So you have to choose. So 10, 8, 6, and plus 2 assists on the 13. And then on the game 4, you will choose another 6 participants. So there will be 4 team relays. Okay? Make sure that all of your team members will play. So choose wisely. Okay? Go and strategize while they're playing. Go. Go and strategize and choose your leader. Thank you. Okay. Mommy Angel. Mommy Angel, your team won. Okay. Clear the court. Clear the court. Clear the court. Team